What's up, guys? We are back with another episode of Rolling with Chris. And I'm just gonna run a few errands today. Still got this Mercury Mariner, and staying pretty good, man. Pretty good. Get myself situated real quick. But anyway, what we gonna talk about today? So today, it's gonna be quick. I'm gonna speak on customers or potential customers with what's the word I want to use? I'll say it like this: you got caviar taste and potato chip money, right? So you want to ride around in something nice, new, and clean, and you want the most for your money. And you want it to be reliable, and you want it to work, and you don't want any issues out of it, right? And I get that. I 100% totally get that. And with the right amount of financing, you can get that, right? But when you require that, make sure your money right, man. Make sure you got your paper together. Because, okay, let's say this. You want to purchase a vehicle from Joe Blow Ford, the largest Ford dealership in your county, your neighborhood, city, whatever the case may be, right? And you want to purchase a 2012 Ford Mustang, right? So you got this Mustang. And the Ford has the Mustang, and you want to go up there and get it, right? And your credit is less than desirable. Let's say low sixes or something like that, right? So not necessarily horrible, but on the grand scheme of things, it's still low, right? So you go to Ford, they get you subprime financing. Yeah, I know fuel is low. They get you subprime financing, and you go in there and you put $2,500 down on this 2012 Ford Mustang GT. Let's say it's $20,000. Let's say it's $25,000, right? So you put $2,500 down. So you put 10% down, right? What y'all don't pay attention to is when you go in there is that they hit you with the finance charges up front. Regardless if you put money down or not. Most of that money comes out of your finance, your down payment. Your tax, tag, title, finance charges, all that comes out of your down payment. So that $2,500 just got ate up, right? And then they hit you with, let's say, 21% interest. So you got 21% interest on $25,000. So you somewhere around $600-700 car note. And if you take this through the life of the term, you would have paid damn near double, right? But then you go to the independent dealer, and he tell you, hey, it's going to be $2,500 down. You're done in a year, $85 a week. That's me, right? You come to somebody like me and be like, oh, nah, man, that's just crazy. No, it ain't crazy at all. It's not crazy at all because, truth be told, I gave you the discount cash price, which was $3,800, and you couldn't afford it. Right? So just like you or I, if we wanted to buy a brand new Lamborghini and it's $400,000, I don't have $400,000 to spend on a Lamborghini. So we both gonna go to the bank. And when we done paying for this Lamborghini, we probably would have paid $600,000-700,000 if we take it to life of the term. So just think about that, man. It's still the same. It's still the same. I done pulled up over here at my mechanic. Hopefully I won't catch them doing no miscellaneous stuff. But I gotta drop some stuff off. Drop some stuff off. Yeah, so you end up paying a whole lot more. A whole lot more. What's all this kiki and this shit? It's on me.
Hell no.
It's on me. It's about to be on you though. Look at that.
What's up?
Oh, you on YouTube now.
You
fucking
have
famous.
the phone up there on the
Huh?
dash and everything.
Look, you don't want me to blow up on YouTube.
You know what?
What's in here? There's things in there too.
Oh yeah. Oh.
These are.
Are you coming past me or not? Because like
no. Put your feet down. Put your feet. Put them back up.
You know what I'm saying?
Those are cats for what was the name?
Yeah.
Let me stop. I'm out. Oh man. So get those parts dropped off. What was in there, I couldn't record, so yeah, back to it. Anyway, man, pay attention to your financing. When a dealer, even an independent dealer like myself, if we're gonna finance you something, that's basically we're gonna give you product on loan, right? So we're gonna loan out this product to you. See, I'm trying to get myself situated. We're gonna loan this product out to you on payments and not charge you and let you drive away with a product that might be worth, let's say the product is worth $4,000, right? And you've paid a quarter of that, because once we deduct your finance charges, your taxes, and the rest of the fees, that eats up a lot of that. We charging the same fees that the other dealers are charging. Same fees. So they probably charge a little bit more than we charge. So we're charging the same type of fees. You still got to pay for your Avalon tax, still got to pay for your plates, still got to pay for your registration. And when you're dealing with an independent dealer, a lot of times you're going to have to pay for the GPS that we have to install. Because you are basically driving away with the vehicle that we own and pay for, but we're selling to you on payments. We're letting you walk away with it at a fraction of the price. So we're basically at a loss. If you decide, okay, I'm gonna get this car from you and I'm gonna give you $2,300 down, all $2,300 don't go to the dealer. We have to pay your fees, right? So we'll pay your fees and all that other stuff, and then, then the rest of that goes to the dealer. But guess what? Then you have to deduct how much we paid for the vehicle, how much we spent on the vehicle to get it ready, all of that. So we're kind of in the negative at that point. So we're like negative cash flow until you start to make your payments. Now, once you start making your payments, and that's if some of you make your payments, then that's where we start to make the money at. When you go to Joe Blow Nissan or Dodge up the street or Ford or whatever, whoever I said at first, when you go to them, once they sell you the vehicle, they're done with you. It's the bank's issue now. That's why the banks start calling you. Well, when you're an independent dealer, you the bank. Hey, get some gas. When you're an independent dealer, you the bank. You are the bank, which means we gotta be checking for everything. Everything. Trying to get my gas app up. Just paying with your app at the pump. Best thing since pants with pockets, man. You gotta pull your card out. Ain't gotta worry about your car being compromised. None of that. You ain't gotta worry about getting robbed. None of that. None of that. And you get a discount. And you get the discount. So anyway, you're an independent dealer. Look at this. And you get the discount. So anyway, independent dealer. I'm letting you drive off with my product. And you only pay me a portion of what it's worth. Then you want to decide that when I charge you a fee, it's too much. It's astronomical or it's something like that. Well, that's not really the case. That ain't really the case, because when the bank charges you that 20-something%, y'all don't complain then. Y'all don't complain at all. Matter of fact, all y'all do is get repoed. Well, I'm gonna repo you too. So you can get it from me or you can get it from them. Only difference is I'm not gonna hit your credit. So that's enough for my rant for the day, man. That's enough, man. Give us independent dealers a break out here, man. Or do your math. Or get your money up. Get your money up. You don't have to worry about it.
Smoke detectors on every level of your home.
Peace.